What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to hit your first rail. Now rails can be scary because they're thinner, they're not like a big old box. Most of them are not ride-ons, and today we're going to be covering a urban-on rail. Urban-on means that there is a gap between the takeoff or the lip of the rail and the actual rail. Also, you cannot ride straight onto this feature, you have to come in from the side. If you look at this rail, you can see that people are approaching from the left or the right, depending on which trick they are, but no one is coming up right the middle. So the trick we're gonna cover is just a simple 50-50, and I'm a regular rider. So you're gonna approach the rail with the rail in front of you. So we're gonna do just a regular 50-50. If you approach the rail with it behind you, it's called a backside 50-50. You're gonna get into a stacked position, and as you approach the rail at a nice medium speed, the faster you go on the rail, it does make it easier because you're balancing less. But you don't want to go too fast when you're learning. So find a nice medium speed that you're comfortable with. Do not go slow. If you go too slow, it's gonna make the trick harder for you. So you're gonna approach the rail at a stacked position with it right in front of you. As your lead foot starts going off that takeoff, you're going to pop off of both feet. Not one foot, you're not gonna ollie onto this rail, you're gonna pop off of both feet. And your trajectory is gonna be about 15 degrees, a slight trajectory aiming towards the rail. So then you'll have this happy medium where you're going straight, but at an angle, so when you pop, you're gonna land onto the rail. You don't want to be going completely straight, you're gonna miss it, but you also don't want to go too much at an angle, you'll jump right over the rail. So it's this nice happy 15-degree trajectory that's gonna place you right on top of the rail. The other thing is you're trying to land in the middle of the rail, not the very beginning. A lot of people think they gotta jump on at the very beginning of the rail. That is not the case. You're trying to go down to the middle of it. Now when you do finally place your board onto the rail, you wanna absorb it a little bit. You don't wanna just land on it, be super stiff. It's gonna cause you to slip out. So you're gonna pop onto the rail, absorb it a little bit, stay in that stacked position. Once you land in that stacked position, you're gonna keep your eyes facing to the end of the rail. If you look at your feet, you're gonna go where you're looking. So you're gonna get on, fall off. So make sure that you are looking at the end of the rail. So your head should always be facing down, shoulders nice and stacked, right in, boom, right off. Now, just like with landing on the rail, when you get off of the rail, you do need to absorb your landing a little bit. Anytime you're riding with super stiff legs, you're gonna get like a chatter or slip out. You just like a big old stick, it's just gonna slip out. So get some bend in those knees, stay stacked, absorb your landings on and off of the rail. Hitting rail sounds super simple, and it's not that bad. It just takes some practice. So get out there and keep practicing your rails. You will become a master before you know it. There are some nice fat, thin ones that are great rails to start with, and then move your way to the smaller, rounder rails. Even big tubes are a good way to start. So look for features like that out there, get out there and send it. I hope this video helps you guys, and if you have any other questions or want to know any other trick, comment it down below. I want to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and then if you haven't yet, smash the like button. The almighty YouTube algorithm will bless me if you smash that like button, so please do so more people can see this video, more people can hit their first rail. Lastly, if you want any of the Evolution merch, t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, any of it, guys, it's all linked in the description. And if you do snag it, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content. If you're not following the Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of sick content, so follow my Instagram. And lastly, if you missed the vlog of this day, we had a super sick day, so that video is going to be right here. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never